Oppo K10 5G India launch. Collaborating a recent report, Oppo confirmed the launch date of the Oppo K10 5G in India. The launch will take place at 12 p.m. on June 8, the company said in a press note. Oppo K10 5G specifications. In terms of specifications, the Indian variant of the Oppo K10 5G is tipped to run Android 12 with ColorOS 12.1 out of the box and comes with a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is also said to have an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC along with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It would come with a 48 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor at the back and an 8 megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. The Oppo K10 5G in India is said to have a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support. It is also tipped to come with a dual speaker and a side mounted fingerprint sensor.